Start with romaine, spinach and kale in your salads. Add arugula, collard greens or watercress for variety. Mix in chopped parsley or cilantro for extra vitamin C and flavor. Add a handful of baby spinach, kale or Swiss chard to your fruit smoothie. Use kale, collard greens or mustard greens in soups, or sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a flavorful side dish. Use collard greens, romaine lettuce or Swiss chard leaves as bases for wraps filled with hummus, veggies and lean protein. Start your day with an orange, grapefruit or clementine for a high dose of vitamin C. Enjoy them whole, squeezed into water, or in fruit salad. Berries like strawberries, blueberries and raspberries are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Add them to yogurt, cereal or oatmeal. Include papaya, kiwi and guava in your fruit intake for their high vitamin C content and unique flavors. Keep pre-cut fruits like bell peppers, mangoes and pineapples readily available for healthy snacking. Rotate different leafy greens and fruits throughout the week to keep things interesting and maximize your vitamin C intake. Steaming or quick blanching helps preserve vitamin C content better than boiling. Store fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator to maintain their vitamin C levels. Experiment with herbs, spices and dressings to make leafy greens and fruits more flavorful and enjoyable. Blend fruits and greens into smoothies, add them to pancakes or waffles, or try grilling fruits like pineapple or peaches. Involve your family in choosing and preparing fruits and vegetables, making it a shared learning experience. Remember, while leafy greens and fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C, consider a well-rounded diet with other vitamin C-rich options like bell peppers, broccoli, and tomatoes. Additionally, consult a healthcare professional to ensure you're meeting your individual nutrient requirements. By incorporating these recommendations, you can easily enjoy the health benefits of vitamin C-rich leafy greens and fruits, adding variety and vibrancy to your diet.